Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from DJOKR. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, today we are unboxing DJOKR House on the Rocks. It's an Indian brand. Let's hope this one to have worked it. We do have the leakage, I guess, leakage problem because I imported this one from India, and let's hope it's not leaking or something like that. The entire honest review video will be on my channel, so like and subscribe and hit the bell icon button. No, the bottle is not leaking. I guess somebody who bought this from India got something spill on the box, but the bottle is, I'm seriously, they did give this much less. How the hell? See? Anyways, we'll be bringing the entire honest review video for you guys.